Hello, this is Jackie with JNM Reviews, and today I am very excited to talk about the Alcala Deodorizing Body Wipes. So this is the box. It has 30 wipes, and I like it because they have aloe, bamboo, and they have, I believe it's green tea as well, and tea tree extract. So they're very natural. I like the clean ingredients that it has. This is how they look in the back, inside the box. There are 30 here, and they are extra large wipes. So you can use it for sensitive areas. You can use it in any part of your body where you need it the most. I will say even after cleansing your face, you can put it on your face. You can remove sweat. This is excellent to take to the gym. The little packages, they fit in a gym bag, so they're perfect for hot weather. They're perfect for summer. This is how they are. They have a very good scent. They smell like aloe and it smells very clean. I like it. I hope you like it as much as I do. And thank you for watching my video.